Social media marketing has become an essential part of any marketing strategy in the current digital age. With the majority of the world's population having access to the internet and social media platforms, businesses have a unique opportunity to reach and engage with their target audience like never before. In this video, we will discuss the importance of social media marketing and the key elements to consider when creating a successful social media marketing campaign. First and foremost, it's important to understand that social media is a two-way communication channel. It's not just about posting content and hoping for the best. It's about actively engaging with your audience and building relationships. This can include responding to comments, asking for feedback, and providing valuable content that resonates with your audience. One of the key elements to consider when creating a social media marketing strategy is your target audience. Who are you trying to reach and what are their interests? Understanding this will help you create content that is relevant and appealing to them, and also determine which platforms they are active on. For example, if your target audience is primarily composed of young adults, you may want to focus on platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, it's time to create a content strategy. This includes deciding what type of content you want to post, how often you want to post, and what the overall tone and feel of your content should be. It's important to mix things up and not just post promotional content all the time. Consider creating educational or entertaining content that provides value to your audience. In addition to creating great content, it's also important to track your performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. This can be done through metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Analyzing these metrics will give you insight into what's working and what's not, allowing you to make necessary adjustments to improve your results. Another important aspect of social media marketing is paid advertising. This can include sponsored posts, display ads, and influencer marketing. Paid advertising allows you to reach a wider audience and target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. When considering paid advertising, it's important to set a budget and determine the most effective advertising platform for your target audience and goals. In conclusion, social media marketing is a critical component of any marketing strategy. By understanding your target audience, creating a content strategy, tracking your performance, and utilizing paid advertising, you can reach and engage with your audience, build relationships, and ultimately drive conversions. Remember, social media marketing is a long-term investment, and success requires a consistent and strategic approach.